Welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to create a professional PowerPoint presentation on machine learning in just 5 minutes using AI. You can use this formula for any kind of PowerPoint presentation. We are going to use ChatGPT to generate VBA code and then we will customize it using Microsoft 365 Designer. Let's dive in. First, let's get some help from ChatGPT. I will ask it to generate a VBA code for a PowerPoint presentation that covers machine learning in 8 slides. Once ChatGPT provides the VBA code, I will simply copy it. This code will automate the creation of our PowerPoint slide. Now let's switch over it to PowerPoint. If you don't have the developer tab enabled, here you can do it file, then options, then customize ribbons and check developer options. Now click on developer tab. Select module and paste the VBA code you copied from ChatGPT. After that, hit the run button. And just like that, our slides are completely generated. Quick and easy, right? Now let's take it a step further by customizing the design. I am logging into my Microsoft 365 to access the PowerPoint Designer. Once logging in, open the PowerPoint file we just created. Go to Design tab and select Designer. Here you can choose from a variety of design options to give your presentation a polished look. With just a few clicks, you can completely transform your slides into something visually stunning. Let's take a final look at our presentation. And there you have it, a professional looking PowerPoint presentation created in just minutes with the help of AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more time saving tips and tricks.